Your name might be Rockefeller, it might be Kennedy, it might be Smith. There's disability everywhere in our society and in all families. Since only 15% of disabled Americans are actually born with disabilities, disability can happen at any age.
I'm proud to say that our world-class arts community, our social service organizations, are all uniting around this festival to welcome a diverse array of stars and filmmakers to our community.
Why is it so important that people with disabilities are included? It's important because that kind of a character, that kind of an energy, that kind of a spirit benefits the community, makes it stronger, allows it to reach for things that it otherwise would not have thought possible to obtain.
Disabled people do not want to be pitied. They want to live their lives as human beings in our society. And when you think about it, you can't really pity someone unless you feel above them.
And so it's up to us in a very nice, courteous, professional way to keep pressing the issue.
He does, and you can ask as personal as questions as you want to him, and he will answer them. So without further ado, here's Mr. Richard Bernstein.
How do you bike?
Eric's got a great question. So how do you bicycle? The bicycle is done as a tandem, which means that you ride with two people. So you have myself in the back, and then you have the guide who's actually steering the bike.
Look, even though the law says what they have to do, you can negotiate on the part of your client. You know, your client can say, well, listen, I'll give you 20 years to fix it. But in exchange, you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things. Is that when you're blind, you can only dream what you experience during the day. So for blind people, we dream in sound and in darkness.
And I gotta say, I really want to emphasize this, that we, the city of Cincinnati, are going to be the headquarters for this film festival, which is going to get bigger and bigger and bigger.
What role do disabled people have in our lives, in our homes, in our schools? They have the greatest role of all. For those with disabilities can come to teach the most important lesson. Those with struggle, hardship, challenge, and difficulty will always do what is hard to achieve what is great. Because those with struggle, those with infirmities, those who you see as being vulnerable or weak, have a hunger for greatness.